Good morning, student. Today's topic, algebraic expressions. A new topic. Today we start a new topic, algebraic expression. So 1.1, 4x plus 5. It is an algebraic expression. So it has two terms, 4x and 5. So two terms are 4x and 5. And coefficient of 4x is 4. Next, this is an algebraic expression. 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is an algebraic expression. There are three terms, 1, 2, 3. Three terms are 3x square is one of the term, minus 5x is another term, and plus 7 is another term. So coefficient of 3x square is 3, numerical coefficient. Coefficient of minus 5x is minus 5. Next, monomial. What is monomial? Binomial, trinomial. Monomial, an expression that contains only one term is called monomial. Example, 5xy, single term, so it is monomial. It is also an algebraic expression. 7x square is monomial. Minus 8x square y is also monomial. Binomial, expression that contains only two terms is called binomial. Example, 5x plus 7, two terms, 5x is one of the term and 7 another term, so it is a binomial. Another example, 3x square minus 2y, two terms are 3x square and minus 2y, so it is also a binomial. Next, trinomial. When an algebraic expression contains only three terms, it's called trinomial. Example, 7xy plus 5x minus 9. So it is a trinomial. Three terms are 7xy and 5x and minus 9. These are the three terms. Another example, 11x square minus 2x plus 7. So it is also a trinomial. Three terms are 11x square, minus 2x and 7. Next, what are like terms? So these are the terms. Few terms are there. 7x, 14x, minus 13x, 5x square, 7y, 7xy, comma, minus 9y square, minus 9x square, minus 5xy or yx. So like terms, so 7x, 14x, minus 13x are the like terms because all the little coefficient of these three terms are x, and x. So these three terms are like term. 5x square minus 9x square, little coefficient are x square and x square. So these two terms are like term, and these two terms are also like term. Now I solve few sums from exercise 9.1 NCERT. So question number 1 expressions is given, algebraic expressions is given, 5xyz square minus 3zy. Find the terms. What are the terms? The terms are 5xyz square is one of the term, another term is minus 3zy. And coefficient of the terms are, coefficient of this term is 5 and coefficient of minus 3yz, coefficient of this term is minus 3. One more, Roman 2. 1 plus x square is an algebraic expression. Terms are 1, x and x square. Coefficient of 1 is 1. Coefficient of the term x is 1. Coefficient of the term x square is 1. One more, x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy. It is an algebraic expression. Terms are x by 2, one of the term, another term y by 2, another term minus xy. So three terms are x by 2, y by 2 and minus xy. Coefficient of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Coefficient of y by 2 is 1 by 2. And coefficient of minus xy is minus 1. Now question number 2. If expressions are given find which are monomial, which are binomial, which are trinomial. So binomials are 1000 and PQR. These are the single term polynomial by algebraic expression. So these are the monomial. Binomial are x plus y. There are two terms, so it is a binomial. 2y minus 3y square. There are two terms, so it is also a binomial. It is also a binomial. Another expression 4z minus 15z square. There are two terms, so it is a binomial. These are the example of binomial. Trinomials are 7 plus y plus 5x. Three terms are there, so it is a trinomial. 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. Three terms are there, so it is a trinomial. It is also trinomial. Now, question number 3. Addition. There are the expressions given: AB minus BC, BC minus CA, and CA minus AB. Find the sum of these three expressions. So AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. Now we remove the first bracket. So AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. Now arrange the like terms AB and AB. These are the two like terms. So AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA. After arranging the like terms, plus AB minus AB, cut this, plus AB minus B 0, minus BC plus BC 0, minus CA plus CA 0. So equal to 0. So sum of these three expression is equal to 0. One more. Roman 2. These are the three expressions given. Find the sum. So first I write A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus CA. After removing the bracket, A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. Now there is plus A and minus A, minus B plus B, minus C plus C, and AB, BC and AC. So plus A minus A 0, minus B plus B 0, minus C plus C 0. So remaining terms are AB plus BC plus CA. So this is the sum. This is the sum of these three given expressions. Now question number 4. Subtract this expression from this expression. So first I write 12A minus 9AB plus 5B minus 3. In the second line, plus 4A minus 7AB minus plus 3B and plus 12. Now change the sign of this term in this row. So this plus 12. So plus, change sign, minus. Originally it is plus 3AB. Now it is minus. Originally it is minus 7AB. Now it is change sign is plus and it is minus. Now minus 3 minus 12 minus 15. Sum plus 5 minus 3. So plus 5 minus 3 2 plus 2 with B. Minus 9 plus 7. So minus 9 plus 7 minus 2 with the literal coefficient AB. 12 minus 4 8 with the literal coefficient A. So difference of these two expression is 2A minus 2AB, 8A minus 2AB plus 2B minus 15. One more. Subtract this expression from this expression. It is given in your book. So first I write this expression here. Now 4p square cube here plus 4p square cube just below this term. These are two like terms. That is why I write this 4p square cube just below this term. Next minus 3p cube. So pq term is here. So minus 3pq, right, just below this term, they are like term, plus 5pq square. So here pq square is term here, so plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10, constant term. Now change sign, change the sign of these terms in this line. So it is plus, originally it is plus, now it is minus, originally it is plus, now change sign minus, like this. Now 5 plus 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4, 1 with the little coefficient p square q. Minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 with the little coefficient pq square. Plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 pq. Minus 11 minus 7 minus 18 with the little coefficient q. Minus 3 plus 8. So it is plus 5 with the little coefficient p. So this is 5 plus 5p. And plus 18 plus 10 plus 28. So this is the difference between these two expressions. Thank you.